Hi, welcome to Blue Star Power Washing in Garland, Texas. If you're looking for a pressure washing expert near Garland, Rowlett, or Rockwall, Texas, then you've come to the right place. We specialize in home exterior cleaning, such as driveways, fences, patios, gazebos, walls, windows, gutters, and trash bins. We also clean boats, Sea-Doos, RVs, and automobiles. We provide free estimates, and there's 3 easy ways to get your free quote. The first way is to text us at 214-631-9530 and provide your full name, phone number, and address, along with pictures and a brief description of the work needed. The second way is to click on the Get Your Free Estimate button on our website and fill out the form. And the third way, you can simply call us at 214-631-9530. We look forward to helping you out with your pressure washing needs.